Hi there and welcome to our craft along for April 2021. I'm Nancy Valdivia, Children's Librarian here for Palm Springs Public Library. And our project for today is sand art. And as you can see here, here's a sample of what we can make today. I've used 3 colors of sand. I have, for our base, will be the orange, and in a pattern, yellow and white sand. And as you get towards the middle of your sand art project, a reminder to stop and to tap on top of the art project a little bit, maybe 10 times. I've included in your kit this little spork. Tap it about 10 to 15 times just to help it to settle a little bit before you continue going forward and finishing your sand art project. So let's begin. So we're done. We've used our sand, tilted the project here and there, and we have a nice finished project of my little sunburst here. So don't forget to make an appointment to pick up your art project. You can give us a call or you can go online after reading this Crafter Long video. So happy April and happy Easter.